I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Ariel Harris. I'm the Hotel Food and Beverage Integration Manager. I've been a part of the festival for the last couple years as a sommelier over at Sonoma Terrace. I'm actually doing an event this year with the Ethel M wine pairing and chocolate pairing, which is sold out. Woohoo! Plenty of availability, guys, for other ones. So don't you worry, but I'd like to introduce Operations Manager for Outdoor Vending and Festivals, Juan Rangel. Executive Chef, Disneyland Resort, Festivals and Events, Jimmy Vida.
Hi, everybody.
Thank you, thank you. And Entertainment Show Director for Food and Wine, Linda Love Simmons. Hello. This festival, which was a little itty bitty festival, kind of between springtime, summertime, and look to where it has grown now. This festival is a celebration of the very best in California. And this year, we've got 10 marketplaces, and one of them is brand new. Does anybody know what it is? Tell us, Chef.
Earth Eats.
Earth Eats, that's right.
Shiny. It's very shiny.
Very shiny over there. So Earth Eats is our plant-forward and plant-based marketplace. So maybe if it was something you weren't sure about trying, you are gonna love the food over there. You have to give it a shot. Now, my favorite item is that Mickey's Snickers macaron, which you are all enjoying, hopefully, over there. I tell myself every year, you don't need it. I take it home anyway. I can't help myself. It's so good. Now, it takes a lot of teams to make this come to life, from operations, culinary, entertainment, all of the cast members here, and so many behind the scenes. And we are very fortunate just to have an amazing group of people, amazing minds, people who you want to hang out with, people you want to collaborate with, to make all of this happen. And I would love for Juan Rangel to tell us a little bit more about what he does here and what we can expect.
All right. Hello, everybody. Welcome. Now, I'm thrilled to be here, but I'm definitely more thrilled to give you all a sneak peek of our Disney California Adventure Food and Wine Festival. Now, what is it? It's a celebration of California. Everything from its different cultures to its agriculture, as well as its regions and neighborhoods. So, this is what you all are gonna experience during this festival, the marketplaces. I feel like the marketplaces are the heart of this festival. With that being said, there's still plenty of restaurants that are offering food and wine inspired items, including Downtown Disney, who's also getting in on the action. You'll get to experience beverage education seminars, right? These will be based on mixology, food, and wine. There's some amazing ticketed events, such as the Carthay Circle Winemaker Reception and the Napa Cellars Wine Pairing Dinner. Spoiler alert, Napa Cellar Dinner is sold out.
Wah, wah.
Sorry. But no need to worry, because there's still availability for the Hardstone Lounge Food and Wine event, and also my personal favorite, which is the Trader Sam's Mixology event. You gotta check that one out. All the tiki drinks are amazing. That's not all. You get to experience all the culinary demonstrations, which are made by our own Disney chefs, and also let's not forget, we have a lot of visiting celebrity chefs too. Now, let's go back and do a little bit more food and beverage. I do have to apologize to the culinary team, because I am gonna steal a little bit of the thunder right now. Get this, there are over 80 new items this year. Yes, I said 80 of them. Now, since I'm still up here, I'm gonna give a shout out to our beverage team. They're over there, right. This is the team that's bringing a lot of these amazing beverages to your palate, and year after year, they are delivering and they're impressing. Everything from their storytelling, their inspiration, and creativity.
All right, I have to ask you one, what's your favorite beverage?
That is a tough decision. But I do want to say my favorite beverage this year is the watermelon cucumber mojito. It is fantastic, and if I'm not mistaken, all of you get an opportunity to taste it pretty soon here. This is a beverage that is inspired by our fruit cart vendors that we see in Southern California neighborhoods almost every day.
You got it. All right, did we want to pass it over to Chef Jimmy to talk about some of our marketplaces, or you got anything else for us?
No, actually, let me highlight one more drink.
That's right.
The PB&J Whiskey Shake. Who doesn't like PB&J, right? So our beverage team has taken this household staple and turned it into an adult option using a milkshake as the setting for it. It is mind-blowing. So what I do want to do is, when I finish, is let you guys know the best way to experience this festival is to get one of these beauties right here. Okay, our our digital Sip and Savor Pass, right? Brand new this year.
And this one is scannable, everybody. So you still get to take home the lanyard, which obviously is the best part, right? I love to take that home as a souvenir. We have them all up on our walls, but these are scannable. And how many entitlements is this one?
There's 2 different types. There's 4 entitlements and 8 entitlements. This is the 80 entitlement.
Right. There's only one. He's got it. Sorry, everybody.
So now that you've given me the opportunity to talk a little bit about the Sip, I want to turn it over to our chef team, talk about the Savor.
Thank you, Juan. Thank you. This must be the super Sip and Savor. Well, hello everyone. Has everybody had a chance to kind of go through the marketplaces and pick out what your favorite is so far? As Juan said, over 80 new items. In the marketplaces, there's 17 food items. Of those 17, 11 are brand new this year. So very, very exciting. I was told I only have 5 minutes, so I'm gonna try to cover as much as I can and kind of go over my favorites. Probably my favorite this year is the frozen old fashioned. Kind of similar to the whiskey. I may have been known to partake in a few old fashions, and at home, and I'm 12-year-old.
It's research.
Research. R&D at home, and my 12-year-old's like, Dad, what is that? It's an old fashioned. Well, can I have it? No, you can't. But in that thinking process, I was like, how can we bring something that's a little more kid-friendly to food and wine, but still has the punch of that drink that dad or granddad really loved. So that's how we went down the road of the old fashioned. So it's a bourbon ice cream. It's got bitters, crema on it. It's got an orange glaze and cherry popper pearls on it. Everything you could imagine would be in that perfect old fashioned in a non-alcoholic ice cream dessert. Awesome. Another favorite this year is the cheeseburger bao. One of the things that we feel is the Disney difference is we love mashups, we love collabs. And that was one of those ones this year where we said, you know what, let's do something different with the cheeseburger. Everybody does a cheeseburger, let's take it a different direction. So we started with this cheeseburger bao, and the ideation was, I wanted to taste like a mashup between In-N-Out and a Big Mac. And if anybody had a chance to try it, am I far off, or did we? Nice. Awesome.
Mission accomplished.
Right. So this for me is the best job, to have so much freedom to play around and come up with crazy ideas and kind of just sell them to you guys and get your feedback. Another awesome item that is in the back lot this year at LA Style is our 100% plant-based Baja fish taco. Now, if you haven't had it, they're tray passing them around. I encourage you, even if you're not a plant-based person, try it. They made a believer out of me. It's an awesome, awesome item, and I promise you'd be really hard to say that you didn't know that was fish. On the sweet side, like Ariel said, the Snickers macaron is back. I mean, I think this is like our 4th year.
Keep bringing that one back, please. Don't take that one away.
The s'mores caramel tart is new this year. Amazing. And on the drink side, if you're gonna have the old-fashioned paleta, then I encourage you to maybe get that mule to go with it, balance it out. Yeah.
Guava lychee mule. Fantastic.
I love it. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
And again, there's so many teams that come together and so many, personal stories and recipe collaborations. So this is just a beautiful sampling of this team coming, together. So I would like to talk a little bit about entertainment and activities with Ms. Linda Love Simmons.
Well, now that you've sipped and now that you've savored, now you get the flavor of the festival. Because we have so much great entertainment. Not only Cooking with the Jammin' Chefs is back at the Obelisk, which I hope you had a chance to see, moving around racks like crazy people. There are 14 different bands playing over the different stages. And so that's so exciting. Normally we have like 5. 14, so it changes every day, every minute. And of course, our brand new, distinctly Disney partnership with Disney Junior is Super Kitties. So I'm gonna make you all participate. Are you ready? Everyone pause up. Pause out, claws out. Come on, I need to hear
Paws
you.
out, claws out. Paws out, claws out. I love it.
And every cat pun of possumness, totally meowsing that you could ever imagine in the history. All we did was laugh every single day, and it's been so cool. This particular show, Super Kitties with Disney Junior, is all custom animation and custom voices. So they were so awesome to partner with us, and we have the bands, and we have Cooking with the Jam and Chefs, and so many exciting things for you to participate and experience here at Food and Wine Festival. So not only sip, not only savor, but dance and enjoy the bounty that we have here in California.
And Linda, can I ask you, I don't know, it's like picking between your children, but do you have a favorite?
Jam and Chefs was always my favorite until Super Kitties. Because we literally, in every, Gary and Jenny said, how does Super Kitties work with Food and Wine? I go, well, Gary, Pickle's birthday cake has been stolen and the Super Kitties have to find the culprit. And he's like, okay, getcha. So anyway, I think it's really a fun, special show this year for our youngest audience.
Oh, I'm excited to see it. I told my boyfriend there's something about Super Kitties and paws out, claws out, and he's like, I'm in, let's do it. So whether you're a paw parent or not, but if we can give a round of applause to our speakers up here, thank you again.